Have you wondered how to become a millionaire? It may seem impossible to some people, but it is not impossible. With careful planning, patience, and handling money in smart ways, you can easily reach $1 million in your 30s. 6 steps to become a millionaire in your 30s. You don't need a prestigious job or a lot of money to become a millionaire. All you have to do is start saving early and think hard about every dollar you spend. Here are some tips for raising your first $1 million for retirement early in your life. 1. Start saving early. The easiest way to build your savings is to start early. Let's say you are 20 years old. If you started saving $6,000 each year, $500 per month, for 40 years, your total savings would be $240,000. Adopting the law of compounding, your investment will grow to more than $1.37 million, assuming a halal return of 7%. This is how you will become a millionaire at the age of 57, just by saving $500 a month. 2. Rationalize your expenses and avoid debt. Stop buying things you don't need. Before putting your hand into your pocket, ask yourself the following. Is this something I really need? Do I already have something similar? Do I want this more than I want to be a millionaire? Every dollar you spend on something you don't need is a dollar missing from your investment. Here's the reality. If you invested an extra $25 a week for those same 40 years, you'd end up with an extra $277,693. Can you save $25 in unnecessary spending from your weekly budget? Maybe yes and maybe no. But if you can, you'll go a long way to reaching financial freedom quickly. 3. Save 15% of your income or more. The personal savings rate is the percentage of income remaining after a person spends money and pays taxes. This rate decreased to 2.3% after the corona pandemic. Experts say that's not even enough to save for retirement, let alone for someone trying to become a millionaire. Exactly how much should I save? Although there is no clear and correct answer to this question, most financial experts say that depending on age, you should save at least 15% of your total annual income if you aim to achieve retirement at an early age. This number may seem like a distant dream to many, but in reality it is not. Suppose the pension fund deducts up to 6% of your salary, then you only need to save 9%. For develop your income, it is true that increasing income is not easy. If your income does not allow you to save 15% of it, it is difficult to become a millionaire. But there are some options available to you, such as ask for a salary increase if you think you deserve it, extra working hours, get a second job, develop skills to increase your earning potential. That extra money every year can really help you reach your financial goals, especially if you want to become a millionaire. 5. Do not give in to the bloated lifestyle. Lifestyle inflation occurs when you spend more money simply because you have more to spend. Let's say you live in a comfortable apartment in a great location for $1,000 a month. When she gets a promotion at work, she moves to a better apartment at a cost of $1,500 per month. Do you really need this transition? If you want to become a millionaire, resist the urge to give in to an inflated lifestyle. Instead of spending more just because you have something to spend, try saving, and investing more. This way you will reach your financial goals faster. 6. Ask for help if you need it. Retirement planning can be stressful, in part because of the investment options available, not to mention the unknowns that lie ahead. There are studies that prove that more than 50% of people feel uncomfortable about planning for retirement. That's why it's so important to get help from a financial expert. Only 29% of Americans work with a financial advisor, while 65% said they receive no financial advice. This is in the United States of America, where financial culture is widespread, let alone in other countries. A financial advisor can help you choose good investments, prepare a budget, and make plans to achieve your financial goals. How to become a millionaire quickly. The easiest way to become a millionaire is to take advantage of the law of compounding effect by starting to save your money as quickly as possible. The earlier you start saving, the more you can invest, and the more money you will earn. You should aim to save at least 15% of your income. You can also reach your goal, $1 million, by reducing unnecessary spending and getting financial advice from an expert. You should also consider upgrading your work skills or getting a second job. How much investment do I need to become a millionaire? The amount you will need to invest to become a millionaire depends on your age. You can afford to take a lower income when you are younger because you have more time to accumulate your wealth and can take more risks. If you postpone saving until you are older, you will have to save more money each month. Finally, how much money you actually make depends on how good your investments are. If you start saving early, you have enough time to take more risks with your investments and look for options that are likely to give you a return of 7% or more. This means not putting your money in low-income certificates of deposit, CDs, or investing in money markets. Instead, you should consider other options such as stocks to achieve returns that can exceed inflation and grow your savings. How to become a millionaire? The key is to start young, stay disciplined, and create and maintain a long-term financial plan. The journey may be slow, but you will be happy with the results in the long run. Raising your first $1 million is easy for you, but the matter should not be considered impossible.